Flutter? Do you want to know how you can implement this game using Flutter? So you are in the right place. Welcome to my channel. This is Iman Neo. In this series, we are going to implement a color switch game using Flutter and Flame game engine. So if you are not familiar with game engine concepts or Flame, no worries, because we are going to cover everything and also learn together in this series. So at the end of this series, you will have a basic knowledge about how game engine works and what are the components of a game engine, and also you will have a game. So let's get started with Flame website. If you open the Flame website, I will put the link in the description. So Flame is a 2D game engine built on top of Flutter. As you might know, Flutter has a widget tree and everything is widget in the Flutter. So Flame is another widget and you can integrate it into your Flutter application. So in most cases, we have only a full screen widget which renders our Flame game engine, but we are free to do anything that we want. For example, we can have a stack widget to put the Flame engine, and then we can put some components on or widgets on top of that. For example, we can create a pause menu using the widgets on top of the Flame game engine widget. Let's get started with the documentation here and also examples. In the documentation, you will see a lot of concepts here explained by the owners of game engine. So I suggest you to open it by yourself, read it. By the way, we are going to cover some of these concepts in this series. And also, if you open the Flame examples website, you will see a pad racing game by default. So if you click on 2 players, you will see 2 different cars which you can move them by arrow keys and WASD keys. It has physics, you can interact with the board, and obviously it is open source. So if you are interested, you can take a look at the source code. Or you can open other examples in the navigator. There are a bunch of different examples in different categories. For example, here we have Flameforge 2D, which is for physics simulations. If you open draggable body, you can drag and drop this component to see how it interacts with the board. So yeah. Or you can open this example, rope joint. It is a rope which is like a real world rope. It interacts with itself. It has physics. We have particles. For example, if you drag and drop, you see that these little particles are showing and hiding after a short time. I highly suggest you to open other examples to see how powerful is Flame game engine. In the next episode, we are going to cover some basic concepts such as game widget and game loop. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like this series or this video, and stay tuned. Bye bye.